Uh-oh. It's recording. There you go. You weirdo. Hello, YouTube. It's me again. I was on Facebook Marketplace and I noticed something rather weird. Somebody was selling a Wilton Vise. It was like $200, and then it went down to like, they didn't even mark it as a Wilton Vise. It was just bench vise for sale. It was at like $200. Then I listed it for like $100. So I messaged. I said, "Would you be willing to ship it to me?" And they were like, "Sure, I'll send it to you." I was expecting one of these things, you know, whatever. What is this? 4.5, 4-inch jaws? Let me check here. I was expecting one with, you know, standard size 4.5-inch jaws, you know, heavy as hell. They told me it was like X amount of dollars shipping because it was so heavy. I said, you know what, I don't care. Wrap it in bubble wrap, throw it in a box, and, you know, just throw it in the box and whatever happens, happens. So I was in no rush for it. I just waited. And you already know I have this one, right? So, but did somebody leave me out of the loop here? Since when did one like this exist? I didn't know about this one. Look, I mean, I didn't think I'd end up with one with 3-inch jaws. This one has 2.5-inch jaws. So this, I paid $100 for this thing plus shipping and some PayPal fees. And to be honest, I did not expect to get this little sucker in the mail. There's no swivel jaw on it. The handle is in very fine shape. There's a little bit of like hammer marks here. The jaws, it still has like a greenish kind of patina. I'll open it up for you and show you. This is cool because even, here, I'll show you these jaws. Look at the jaws. They are in damn good shape. The vise is in really nice shape too. I mean, it's got some, you know, little issues on the back here, but where the cap is, it appears there's some chipping here. But you know what? I did not know that. Maybe because I don't know everything about vices and I'm a fool like that. But there is, I didn't know they made them this big. I thought I was getting another big, because I have this one I'm fixing, the baby bullet. I have a welded up 4.5-inch, is it a Schiller Park or Chicago one? And I have a big giant, what is it? I don't know, C whatever, or 90, whatever, I don't know what it is. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Yeah, I have 5 Wilton Vises. How come nobody told me they were this size? This is so cool. I'm like, this is cool. I'm like, I don't want these ones. Like these ones. No, no wonder why people collect these things. Because they're so like petite and tiny. There's not even any like, see, if I open this up, the other one looks like this one looks like it's been tortured. But you open this up and you can still see the little lines on here. Like there's not even a lot of like where somebody took a grinder and tried to grind it off. There's no welding marks. I don't know where the hell the date is on this one, but I don't know where the key is in here. I'm assuming there's a date on here somewhere. There comes the key. The little key, EBGB key. Should be a date stamped in here somewhere. Let's see. Oh, we got a number. Says, and the magic number is dun, 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 171. What the hell that means? So first quarter 71, maybe. Yeah, maybe. It seems about right. I noticed they didn't. What do you call it? They didn't make this key go all the way up like these ones. Major bigger vise, bigger problems. So anyway, that's what I thought I'd show you is my super wobbly, my super awesome little baby bullet. Which, of course, I'm going to wind it in upside down here, just because. Well, no, this is a baby. I wouldn't say this is a baby bullet. I'm guessing. Let's see. I have Grandpa. I have a grumpy grandma welded one over there. I have a big giant grandpa bullet vise. I have an old papa here, and I guess this is an infant, and this is the baby, or this is the child, this is the baby. I don't know. But I'm happy I got another Wilton vise for the price of all the. I paid for the price of most of these for what most people would pay for one of these. So awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and maybe I'll find some more vise porn out in the wild. Enjoy.